nautical miles west of Egmont Key to 43 nautical miles west of Anna Maria Island, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Indian Shore Reef and Pacific Grill Reef. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 3 a.m. Monday, February 5th, 2024 for the WG 59 listening area for the following counties in Florida: the East Sarasota, and Sarasota, and